Hello, Paris Trivia. If you're having a tour in Paris and planning to take the metro or subway trains as your source of transportation, please be aware of these things. May tatlong uri ng subway o train transportation ang Paris. Yung unang dalawang row na nakikita nyo ay ang mga suburban trains. Mga long trains yan na nagkokonekta sa Paris papuntang mga suburban communities. Then yung next two rows naman ay ang Paris Metropolitan Subway trains. Currently, mayroong total of 16 lines ang Paris Metro, but soon will become more than that, based on the news. Bongga, diba? Ito yung mga trains na bumibiyahe in and around Paris area. Finally, the last two rows are the tramway lines. Ito yung mga trams or train-like vehicles na bumibiyahe along the city roads. Maihahalin tulad sila sa mga buses, but electric train-like vehicles sila. Actually, marami pang ibang train types ang Paris, like those Grand Line trains, which travels from country to country or from one state to another, but they're not included on this screen. So that's it muna for today's trivia. Watch out for more!